Best STD testing services. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn the notifications on. Let's get checked. If you're looking for the highest accuracy in STD testing, you must go for this app. It would help if you had blood samples, urine, and stool to get tested, and the staff comprises of Ph.D., LPN, MSN, DNP certified labs to provide the precise results. Mylabbox. The STD testing service provides the results within 5 days. The service is fantastic in detailing the test by using blood, urine, and stool samples. However, with CLIA and CAP-certified labs, you'll find the best STD testing option up till now. Priority STD testing. When you need a compassionate and quicker response, you must go for this service. It involves qualified FDA-approved tests, CLIA-certified labs, RN, BSN, CNOR, CNIV, MD to prove the authenticity. STD check. You can't take this test at home and you have to provide blood, stool, and urine sample. It's the authentic and most unique way to give results within some hours. Thus, try to be relaxed and get the benefits of this service as much as you can. Let's Get Checked Basic 3. You can order this kit and get checked within your home privacy. The result will come within 5 days and you'll get authentic and accurate findings. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and turn the notifications on.